In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a design using Canva with a transparent background. This tutorial will provide you with a simple step-by-step guide to remove the background from an image and download it with transparency, so you can integrate it seamlessly into future projects. First off, you'll want to start by opening Canva. If you're not familiar, Canva is an incredibly user-friendly graphic design tool that allows you to create stunning visuals with ease. Once you've logged in, you can choose to create a new design from scratch or simply open an existing one that you'd like to work with. This flexibility is key, whether you're crafting something new or refining a project that's already in progress. Once your design is open on the Canva workspace, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. This is where you'll find many of Canva's features. Look for the Uploads section in this sidebar. Here, you'll click on Upload Media. This action opens up the opportunity to bring in your own image from your device, perfect if you have a specific photo or graphic in mind for your project. After you have uploaded your image, simply click on it to select it. This small but crucial step ensures that the image is active and ready for editing within Canva's interface. Once selected, you'll see a top toolbar appear, presenting you with several editing options. Next, it's time to click on Edit Image. This is where Canva's magic truly begins. Within the editing interface, you will see a plethora of options designed to enhance your image. For our objective, locate and select Background Remover. This feature is incredibly powerful, allowing Canva's AI tools to quickly isolate the subject of your photo and remove the background automatically. Be patient for a few seconds as Canva works its magic. The background removal process is generally swift, but depending on the complexity of the image, this could take slightly longer. Once completed, you'll witness how the background disappears, leaving only the main subject. Now that your image has a transparent background, it's time for the final step, downloading. Head over to the download options, situated usually toward the upper right of the Canva interface. Choose the file type you need. In this case, we'll go with PNG. This file format supports transparent backgrounds, crucial for maintaining the transparency we worked so hard to achieve. Don't forget to check transparent background before hitting that download button. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to utilize Canva for creating images with transparent backgrounds. This method is particularly useful for designing logos, presentations, or any project where integrating images cleanly is essential. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and happy designing.